Just see how everybody's doing.
918
Voicemail. That's all right. Everybody's busy.
4.
So I just sent him a text. Voicemail was full. It doesn't matter. It's just saying, hey, dude, what's up? Wanting to make sure that everybody's good. If there's an issue, you need to confront it. Part of being the boss. Man, if there's ever a problem, you need to be right on top of it. It's done, right? Okay, guys, welcome back to another episode of Schofield Welding. In this episode, we're going to be talking about how I go about kind of finding the contractors that we've been getting work with. So anyways, I'm going to call another guy right here. So these two guys, I've done probably just under 7 figures with these guys. Super awesome people. I mean, just phenomenal people to be around. I just hadn't heard from them in a while, and so I know they're busy and they're working on a job right now and trying to get it done, but I got to check on them, make sure they're doing good. So let's call him.
Jake Schofield?
Dude, what are you doing?
Man, you wouldn't believe it, but I am filing keys because my life has taken so many weird turns.
Oh.
What I do.
Whoa, man.
So,
Life is good.
life is good. Rockstar now. I'm gonna grow up and be a fabricator or something.
Shoot, yeah, right on, my friend. What are you doing right now? Are you busy?
Ironically, I'm literally filing keys on a fan piece. But I can talk. What's up?
Are you, keys, like gear keys or like real, like truck keys?
No, like shaft keys.
Okay. That's awesome.
yeah, it's a little redneck, but that's all right.
No, that's good. No, I was just calling to just check on you. I hadn't heard from you in a while and just seeing how you were.
Yeah, dude, I was thinking about you a little bit ago. I saw something pop up on Instagram or some shit like that.
Yeah? Was it good?
Dude, it was good, man. It was almost porn-like.
Oh, good. Well, I got an OnlyFans page if you want to subscribe.
Nice.
Things are...
Nice, dude. I was hoping so.
Yeah, I think things are rough. I had to take it for another turn myself.
What I should have done. Yeah.
Well, good, man.
Yeah, what have you been up to? Last time I heard you were down in like Vegas or Arizona or something, weren't you?
So we were in Arizona doing a data center down there. We were doing a bunch of cooling stuff for them. Just got back from North Carolina. We're doing a plant expansion over there. North Dakota. We got 10 guys in North Dakota right now doing an ethanol plant. So it's going. We're trying, man. We're trying. I was just making sure you guys were still doing good.
Yeah, we're still doing good.
Staying busy?
So, oh yeah.
Good.
Yeah. Almost a little too busy. I
Really?
just got a new monster project, but it's being installed in Coaldale, Alberta.
Oh, really? That's sweet.
Yeah, yep. So it'll just be install supervision. Like I won't be able to take my boys in to do it. But
Yeah, I guess because it's out of country, huh?
yeah.
Well-
That always makes for kind of an awkward deal.
Have you heard from Rob lately?
A little while ago, but I guess not probably not about a month or so.
Really? Man, I was just wondering if we'd pissed him off or something. I can't get a hold of him. I was just wanting to see how he was doing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
No, well, he hasn't said anything.
Well, hopefully.
And normally he's pretty vocal about when somebody pisses him off.
Yeah. Either get choked out or get yelled at, one or the other. Something's happening.
Yeah, ain't that the truth?
I love it. I think it's funny. Well, right on, dude. Well, I was just checking on you, but we need to go to dinner before you take off for another adventure.
Dude, that sounds like a great idea.
That work?
Yeah, we need to do that. Either that or I'll throw a dinner at my place and smoke something. Come over, we'll have a beer. Or I'll head out to where you are or something.
Yeah, let's do that. That'd be fun.
Dude, that'd be a blast.
Okay, buddy. Well, I'll let you get back to filing keys.
Oh, dude, I'm digging it. It's magical.
I bet you are. I bet it. Get the course file.
Yeah.
All right, buddy.
Right on. Good talking to you, Jake. Take care of yourself.
You too. See ya.
Bye.
Bye. That's it. I was just touching base. That's all we're doing. Is just making sure that everybody is doing good, making sure that they remember that you even exist. They're dealing with a multi-million dollar company. I'm a very small piece, if I'm even a piece. If you don't reach out and make contact with the right people and just keep, man, we didn't even hardly talk work. We talked about his trip to India and then his trip to Panama, couple guys in the business, right? And that was it. Man, I'm on his radar right now. Like, he'll remember me for the next couple weeks. And then I'll reach back out and talk to him again. Rework from previous customers or projects is easier to get back involved with than new work. New work takes time to build trust and build that amount of confidence that they're going to give you a contract for that work. Where rework, they already know that you can do it. And so you just got to make sure that you're reaching out and making those contacts and just, being one of the boys. That's what you're doing. So anyways, guys, that's kind of today's episode. Just reaching out, making sure that people know who you are, and then just following up. Everybody be blessed. We'll talk to you here in a bit. See ya.